Yeah, that's the type of brand. They're gonna pay. Yeah. Yeah, man. You seen that little weak ass? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, LCD to get it. Man. Y'all get that ass up out of it. That keep rolling, man. Yeah. Yeah. What you doing? He going in his pocket. He going in his goddamn pocket. What he doing? Boom. I'm trying to teach him something, look out. Boom. If it ain't set up, I ain't gonna fucking lose. Damn, man. We couldn't get him to do right for nothing, man. I was trying. Look at, we trying to teach him. We got Ray Killer in here. Who that? Aaron. Look out, Aaron. Blast on, blast on. Yeah, man. He gonna man. He'll fuck him up. Yeah, he will. Rolling, man. Yeah. He'll fuck him up. Dr. Time, you won it again. Hey, popped him in his ass. He got me. Right lane for the win. Right lane. God damn, he just said he was leaving too damn hard. God damn, he broke the... He broke... Damn, he broke the rear end. Hey, y'all, he done broke the rear end, y'all. He can't move. They told his ass to easy. He leaving at 8,500 RPM. Probably push it backwards, brother. Look, he look like he work at the BM. Oh, he do! I just said he looked like he work at the goddamn BMW dealership. You work at the dealership, man? I told y'all how I know that. You look like you work up there, man. Yeah. He gonna have this motherfucker fixed in no time. I told y'all he looked like he worked up there, and he really work up there. Yeah. God damn, that's probably a customer caught in. Oh shit, man. Damn. Man. Yeah, I'm gonna frickin' take the freaking car up to Yellow Belly and everyone's gonna know. Yeah, we're gonna sneak it off the Yellow Belly and I'm gonna rev it up to freaking 8,600 RPM. We're gonna leave right off the line. I heard the track was shitty. Shouldn't break the suspension any. Plus me and my buddies up here at BMW, we fucking stiffened up everything. We also added adjustable shocks in order for it to freaking take Yellow Belly. Yeah, I heard it was the freaking hood track. I watched one guy on YouTube once, Lookout Racing. Yeah, but it don't matter. Whatever we break, we can fucking easily fix. Yeah, it's no problem. I see an extra diff sitting up there in the back. I put it in a corner just for a day like this.
Oh, what's up? What happened?
Yeah, he freaking left at 8,600 RPMs in the V6 turbo. Oh yeah, man. Look out, look out.
Alright, Cat, starting line, burnout box, and
What up, boy? Hey, man. I like where you are, boy. You know I had to come by, yo, boy. Y'all do something to him. Do something nasty to him, man. Fuck him up. Boy, what the fuck you talking about, boy? Night. Boy, goddamn Triggerman, a bad man, boy. I swear, boy, people go and fuck with Triggerman, boy. This shit gonna get, I bet this mother be over 20,000 views in a week, man. The man on fire, man. This it, y'all. No more talk. This is it. This is it. This is it. I promise you, this is it. Now we put a stamp on this shit. Who is the baddest? Well, everybody said Kiesha over here on this goddamn wall over here. After this rain, I'm going straight to the wall now. Oh, let's light this thing up. Wait a minute. Oh, what I'm talking about, man. Oh, yeah, you good, you good. Oh, yeah. Kiesha. Little Larry. For a whole lot. And we got bragging rights to go with that shit. We're gonna find out who the baddest today. Damn, Kiesha gone.
Yeah.
Man. Well, Trigger, you a bad motherfucker. Put some respect on that man's name. Hold on. Shit, that something's high gear. No more talk. This is it. What? Not that cowboy, that no. All still all glad the baddest in the world. That motherfucker did this out there. Oh, what? Not that cowboy, that no. Who is the baddest? Watch out, gonna do that, boy. You better plan a kid's plate. Hold over. Shit, that something's high gear. All still all glad the baddest in the world. Yeah, you good, you good.
Look out.
Make sure you tell your friends.